there's no 3. Stay with me.
His pulse is completely gone, Ava.
Miss, step back. Let medical staff handle this at the station. We do not have time for that. Hand me the bag.
I got it. Here.
Get a portable defibrillator. Immediately. Hey, sir, can you hear me?
Pupils are dilating. This isn't normal.
Sir, stop moving like that.
Wait, do not touch him!
Oh my God, he's eating him! Somebody help him! Pull him away!
Ava, we need to get out! Move! Move, don't push me!
Stop! You are trampling each other!
Sister, please!
Leo, stay behind me.
Looking right at us.
Don't make a single sound.
Calm down, Leo. I'm not letting go.
Ava, they're right behind us!
Calm down, Leo. I'm not letting go.
Attention all passengers, nowhere is safe. The outside world is completely overrun. Do not pull the emergency brake. Your only hope is the front carriage. Get to the main control room immediately. Head for the front, to the control room.
Ava, they're getting closer.
Help me! Ava, please!
Ava, don't go! It's too dangerous!
Anyone who's not bitten, we don't leave anyone behind!
Thank you. You saved us.
He's still alive! Don't shoot!
Everyone back. Seal the car. Leave the wounded.
Ava, don't! He'll kill you!
That's Megan Host again! We're no head here! You're not a soldier! You're just a monster who kills people!
Stop! Put the gun down! I know every vent and valve on this train. Without me, you all die here.
All able-hearted people, grab the luggage, block the door.
Good call, kid.
We stick together, no one gets left behind.
Your kindness will get you all killed.
Please, I'm not infected. I just scraped it.
10 minutes. If no symptoms, you stay. Jack, stop! We don't know for sure. Jack, put him down! That's murder! You can't just play God!
Doc, save me, please!
He's a ticking bomb.
Jack! Let him go! You're murdering him!
I wasn't bitten! Please, save me!
You save him now, he turns and kills everyone. Kindness costs lives. All of them.
Help me, please!
Take off your coats, check each other. Any scratch, any mark, you die on the spot.
He's just tired! It's a cough, nothing more! Don't touch him.
Show me your arms. We'll see what he's hiding.
Lay a finger on him, and I'll kill you! No exceptions!
Turns out you're no better than the rest. All talk about nobility, just another hypocrite.